Find the volume of the solid. Find the volume of the solid obtained by rotating the sine function between x is equal to 0 to x is equal to pi about x-axis, about the x-axis. So here we want to rotate the sine function between x is equal to 0 to x is equal to pi about the x-axis. So again, by using disk method, if y equal to f of x is the given non-negative function between an interval ab, suppose this is the function, okay, say this is the function y equal to f of x between an interval a to b, then the solid obtained by rotating this function y equal to f of x about the x-axis is, so this is the solid we obtain by rotating this function about x-axis is, using disk method, volume is equal to a to b pi times a to b f of x square dx. Now given y equal to sin x, a is equal to 0, b is equal to pi, and therefore if we draw the graph of this function, we know that sin 0 is 0, sin pi is also 0, sin pi by 2 is equal to 1, say here 1, then if we rotate this solid, if we rotate this function y equal to sin x about x-axis, then we obtain the solid, okay, between 0 and pi. So using disk method, volume is equal to pi times 0 to pi sin x bracket square dx. So it is equal to volume is equal to pi times 0 to pi sin square x dx, Now we know that sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by 2. Using this formula, we can write this value of sin square is 1 minus cos twice x divided by 2 dx. So if we take 2 outside, then it is equal to pi by 2 integration of say 0 to pi 1 minus cos twice x dx. Now integration of 1 is x, and integration of cos twice x is sin twice x divided by 2 from limit 0 to pi. Now if you put here upper limit, then it is equal to pi by 2 pi sin twice pi divided by 2 minus, if you put x is equal to 0 here, then sin 0 is 0 divided by 2. So it is equal to, again we know that sin twice pi is 0, so the value of this term is 0, sin 0 is 0, so here pi by 2 times pi is equal to pi square by 2. So this is the volume of solid rotating pi square by 2, rotating about the x-axis between x is equal to 0 to x is equal to pi.